Nurses, through the profession they have chosen, make sacrifices day in and day out to help others. We are often held up as angels, role models, kind-hearted, giving and caring people. So how much more we can really do? This year, ICN has chosen the theme, Nurses, a Voice to Lead, Achieving the Sustainable Development Goals. Does this mean ICN wants nurses to do more? Are nurses really expected to go out and solve all the world's problems when we are overworked, underpaid, under-resourced and exhausted? The answer quite simply is, you are already doing it. And that is what we want to demonstrate this year as we celebrate nursing's achievements. Like millions of nurses around the world are already contributing to their success and making health a reality for billions of people across the globe. This International Nurses Day, we seek to celebrate their story, to inspire us for action by demonstrating how nurses can influence their surroundings and communities to create a healthier world. What are the Sustainable Development Goals, which is also called as SDGs? The Sustainable Development Goals build on the success of Millennium Development Goals, which is also called as MDGs. But they go much further and tackle issues that affect people, the planet, prosperity, peace and partnership. Over the next 15 years, countries will mobilize efforts to end all forms of poverty, fight inequalities, and tackle climate change while ensuring that no one is left behind. Why should nurses care about the SDGs? You may still be asking yourself how your contribution to the SDGs can make a difference. 1. Nurses care for others. Nursing encompasses the promotion of health, prevention of illness, and care for physically ill, mentally ill, and disabled people of all ages in all healthcare and other community settings. 2. This is the right thing to do. The SDGs presents us with the opportunity to apply the knowledge we have as nurses to create a healthier and a better world. 3. Change is possible. The Millennium Development Goals demonstrated to us that progress is possible and countless people's life will be benefited from it. 4. It is our health. Goal 1. No poverty. Throughout the nursing history, it could be argued that nurses have been at the forefront of caring and working with those who are most vulnerable and disempowered. We have all seen and witnessed nurses working in incredible and sacrificial ways for the betterment of others' health. Goal 2. Zero hunger, improved nutrition. Nurses have a vital contribution to make improvements in this area. Nurses are working in areas that are identifying and treating people at risk of malnutrition, developing new models for care to tackle the problem, modifying treatment programs to work for people's environmental issues, developing policies and supporting changes to legislation. In some circumstances, nurses are using the media to inform the public, thereby influencing political decision-making. Nurses are at forefront of enabling this goal to be achieved. Goal 3. Good health and well-being. The nursing profession for a long time has been a strong supporter of UHC, that is ICN Code of Ethics for Nurses Call, for nurses to advocate equity and social justice in resource allocation, access to healthcare and other social and economic services. Nurses are committed to UHC and we are aware of the trend in healthcare, the costs and the added demands on the daily practice of nursing work. Goal 4. Quality education. Nurses are working in partnership with the education providers as a means of health promotion and disease prevention. early screening and detection of illnesses. By working with the education providers, these barriers can be diminished. Goal 5. Gender equality. As a female-dominated profession and one that witnesses the disparities in health between the genders, nurses can make a key contribution to reducing these inequalities. The International Council of Nurses played a key role in the establishment of UN's Specialized Agency for Women, which is UN Women. Nurses from many nations wrote to the US Coherence Panel to support the creation of a single organization to fulfill the UN mandate for achieving gender equality and advancement for women. Goal 6. Clean water and sanitation. Access to clean water, sanitation, and hygiene in healthcare facilities is critical to delivering quality services and advancing health. Hand hygiene is one of the most cost-effective interventions to protect health, and nurses are pivotal to ensure this is possible in every healthcare setting. Goal 7. Affordable and clean energy. It is important that we recognize the importance of clean energy and its effect on health and health service delivery. Nurses care for people on a daily basis. As part of that care, we must ask ourselves how we can help people when we send them back to the place that made them sick in the first place. Goal 8. Decent work and economic growth. To achieve this required workforce, a number of strategies will need to be implemented to attract people into the nursing profession and retain them once there. The strategies for nursing recruitment and retention in workforce require issues of concern to be addressed. They generally fall within the following major problem areas: education, including attrition from undergraduate courses, access to post-graduation education, career pathway progression and continuing education opportunity, adequate remuneration, condition of employment including staffing and skill mix, working hours, and making nursing a more family-friendly profession, and providing a safe, healthy and rewarding working environment. Goal 9. Industry innovation and infrastructure. Ideally, people should be able to conveniently and confidently access services such as primary care, dental, behavioral health, emergency, and public health services. Access to healthcare is important for overall physical, social, and mental health well-being. Prevention of disease, diagnosis and treatment of diseases, improved morbidity and mortality. Goal 10. Reduced inequalities. Nursing is critical in challenging these issues and advocating for the rights of patients. Nurses collaborating with other health professionals can create a climate where socio-economic differentials are unacceptable. Standing up for the health needs of all people is being true to the rich heritage of the profession. Goal 11. Sustainable cities and communities. Inclusive cities need to accommodate the less well-off within the core urban fabric, minimize the degree of isolating poverty, and allowing creating truly public infrastructure shared by a wide range of different income groups. There's a need to limit the sprawl, and increasing the overall compactness of cities should be a crucial element of social policy. There are many features that can be used to transform a city into a healthy city. However, at its core, for the benefits of transformations to be realized, they must address the issue of equity. Goal 12. Responsible consumption and production. Hospitals and health services are large consumers of resources and produce significant amounts of waste. It has been estimated that the healthcare industry generates 7,000 tons of waste per day, including solid waste and medical waste. It has also been estimated that the health facilities consume about 2.5 times of the amount of energy used in a commercial building of the same size. Healthcare facilities have a significant contribution on the sustainability of resources. They also have a direct impact on individuals' health. Goal 13. Climate change. Nurses and nursing organizations are often early adopters of strategies that affect the health of populations and are therefore at the forefront of issues such as climate change. Goal 14. Life below water. Care for our oceans and waterways is crucial. They provide natural resources including food, medicines, biofuels and other products. They support the breakdown, removal of wastes, support climate change mitigation and adaptation efforts. They are also valuable resources for tourism and recreation. As the Food and Agriculture Organization states, the health of our planet as well as our own health and future food security all hinge on how we treat the blue planet. Goal 15. Life on the land. Stable ecosystems are vital to sustaining human life. All aspects of human well-being depends on ecosystem goods and services, which in turn depends on biodiversity. With the loss of biodiversity and changes to ecosystem, the results can be devastating. There can be outbreaks of infectious diseases, undermining of the development progress. It can risk food and nutrition security as well as protection from natural disasters. Goal 16. Peace, justice and strong institutions. Our humanity depends on everyone's humanity. We will not be judged on our scientific and technological advances, nor on how we treat the rich and the powerful, but rather how we treat the poor, the condemned, the displaced, and the incarcerated. The nursing profession is pivotal in leading this change. We have the public trust, we have seen the damage, we have the mind fueled by convictions, and can provide solutions to aid individuals, communities, and nations. Goal 17. Partnership for the goals. The health sector cannot work in isolation if it is to truly enable prevention strategies to take effect. We need to work in tandem with industry and other government departments. When the health sector works in tandem with others, it can generate huge benefits. It can even tackle a powerful, devious and dangerous industry on multiple fronts, including through scale and regulatory measures. Thank you for watching this video. Wish you a very happy Nurses Day.